guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Jacqueline, and on this channel I do budget related videos. If those sort of videos interest you, do please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it if you join my YouTube channel. Okay you guys, so in today's video we're going to be doing my cash stuffing for my first paycheck in February. Before I count this cash, I do have my sparkling water that I opened up in a previous video, so I'm going to go ahead and take a sip of this. Okay, so let's see how much we are cash stuffing today. How is everyone doing? I cannot believe it's already the middle of February at this point. So yeah, I'm doing good. I've just been really busy at work. It's been really stressful actually. So I'm just trying to get this done and just unwind after this because it is kind of late right now. It's like 8, let me see. It's 8, almost 8:10. So yeah, I do want to get another, maybe 2 videos done after this, or 3, we'll see. But for now, let's just go ahead and count to see how much we are cash stuffing today. Okay, so let's just start with the 50s. So we have 51, 52, 5300, and 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 600, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 95, 700, and 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 800, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. So I'm cash stuffing $822. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up, and we're going to start with my revolving cash. We're going to start with this binder here. We're going to cash stuff eating out with $50. That's 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Spending is going to get 80. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. Compra is getting 180, and I rolled over 20, 30, 40 from my last cash and stuffing. Let's just make sure that this is 180. That's 120, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 210, 20. So I have 220. Gas, I rolled over 20 for my last cash and stuffing, is getting 100. Let's just make sure that this is 100. So this is 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85, 95, 96, 7, 8, 9, 100, and 10, 20. Gas prices here, I think is $3.08. I saw today the cheapest. Okay, household is getting 5. Household now has 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 5, 75, 85, 95. Future rent is getting 65. Future rent now has 1,000, 2,000, 100, 200, 300, 450, 60, 75. So that's 1,475. Cell phone is getting 25. Cell phone now has 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, and 75. Let's go to my low priority sinking funds. So I have here the anniversary gifts. The only one that's getting cash stuff today is going to be a JBP. Hold on. I don't know why that's there. Hold on a second. This is all messed up. 1, 2, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. That's 300. 310. Okay. I don't know why this was all messed up, but let me just fix this. TAP is not getting stuffed just yet, so JBP is getting a 5, so now it has 10. So for those that might be new, I have anniversaries that I save for 2 family members and then a close friend. So Delight is getting $2. Delight now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 150, 70, 80, 90, 210, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 227. Dustin is going to get 105. Let's just double check that this is 105. 50, 70, 90, 105. Dustin now has 120, 40, 60, 80, 90, 210, 15, 25, 35, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So that's 250 plus, so he has 250 for his bills and needs, and then in his emergency fund, he has 17. So he has a total of 267. But I like to keep his emergency separate only because I want to start building that up slowly. Fun is getting $2. Fun now has 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 31, 2. Gifts is getting 2. Gifts now has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 147. I need to update my trackers. Okay, home decor is getting 2. Home decor now has 50, 70, 90, 110, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 2. So 122. Supplies is getting 2. Supplies has 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Support a friend is also getting 2, and it currently has 0, so now it has 2. Let's go into my high priority. We're going to start off with car maintenance. Car maintenance is getting a 5. Car maintenance now has 550, 70, 85, 91, 92, 93, 94, and 95. So that's 595. I don't know why my fingers are so dirty. Maybe from all this money that I'm touching. Okay, so medical is getting 40. So we have 20, 30, 35, 40. Medical now has 500, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 710, 15, 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 41, 2, 3. Okay, emergency is getting a 5. Emergency fund now has 500, 600, 720, 30, 40, 50, 65, 75, 85, 95, $800. Travel is getting a 5. Travel now has 500, 600, 720, 45. So that's 745. I recently did a bill swap and making my envelopes a little bit smaller. So I will link that in the cards here. Okay, so savings is getting a 5. Savings now has 1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 4, 50, 65, 75, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 485. 1, 2, 3 monthly expenses is also getting a 5. Now I have 1,000, 2,000, 100, 200, 300, and 20, 40, 60, 80, $410. So that's $2,410. Okay, so this remaining cash should be $130. So let's just double check. So we have 120, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. All right, and this is for my savings challenge. So let's see. This time I remembered to write it down. We are going to be going to my 52 weeks challenge. We are cash stuffing quarter 4. So let's go to quarter 4 and take these out. We're cash stuffing $27 into December. So we have 25, 26, and 27. Let's just put this together and count to see how much we have. I need a total of 250. So I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. All right, so far I have $100. And I'm going to put $103 inside of October's. So October has to save 206, so I'm going to put half of it here. All right, that is it, you guys. This is my cash stuffing for my first paycheck in February. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. And leave me a green heart emoji. That way I know you're at this point. And if you're not already subscribed, do please consider subscribing. I would greatly appreciate it if you join my channel. You guys take care. Have an amazing morning, day, or night whenever you're watching this. And I will see you on my next one. Bye, guys.